We will continue our series of using sync record and also Salesforce. Last video we discussed about the exporting of the data using Salesforce directly, and we export the data via Salesforce. So now I will show it to you how you can do importing, the architecture of importing in sync record, and also how to navigate in Salesforce when doing the importing of the data using CSV. So here you can see the representations in here, the kind of architecture. So here we have a Salesforce. You do the export the CSV last time we created a video, and now in sync record is not only exporting the data but also importing the data. So if you look in here, we have also connections to Salesforce, which is we do it authentications, which is secure. And also we have the authentication SSL from database connection, and these are the bidirectional connection to Salesforce and to your database via sync record. And now the difference between the Salesforce importing and exporting. In Salesforce, you need to, when you do the export, you need to you have a one options every day. I think that's every 48 hours. To export now, and then the scheduled export is also you can schedule every day, I think. And also if you look in here, you can have a schedule in here every day, and I think that's every month, also every month. And the thing is only exporting and send the data, the raw CSV, to your email address. And then here, and also you can have available in your data export. So you can see here the specific custom object and a standard object, where the problem is if you want to pick up only specific fields that you want to export, it is not possible. And also you need to always export the data every day, instead of, if you have a big data, it will synchronize properly to Salesforce and to your database. So if you have a database, you can back up easily using sync record. So here, if you look on the illustrations that we have, so if you have a third-party application, you can easily connect to your database. And let's say, for example, you have a third-party application or form of HTML or some other applications, like if you're using Ruby on Rails, you can create a form using leads or case, and then after that, once it is submitted by a, let's say, customer or your other user in Salesforce, it will directly send to your database, and then from that database, the sync record will process the data, go back to Salesforce. So in sync record, you have a schedule also. You have a schedule per hour, per minute, and also you can do a sync now, directly syncing, importing and exporting to your database and also Salesforce. And then now let's proceed how we can do importing in Salesforce. So if you go here in Salesforce, if I click the setup, and then here you can find data import wizard, and then here we can go the launch wizard, and then you can select a standard or custom. What are the difference between the two? Standard object is the standard table of Salesforce, and custom object is the one that you customize. You added the table by a configuration in Salesforce. And then here, for example, if you want to import your data from your CSV to Salesforce, you can go here, leads, and then add new record, and then you can upload the CSV here. Also, you can also update or update existing record. The problem with that one is you need to align every field, and also you need to align the specific informations to send to Salesforce, and you have limitations. I think 50,000 records says in here at the time. So in our sync record, you have also unlimited, as long as it depends upon your subscriptions, and also it will sync properly to you. It is authenticated for you, and you can use that data to connect to your database properly to your going to your other applications. So, and next time in the next video we will discuss the some other functionality, how we can do this part and this part, so you can see the action itself, how to importing the data going to Salesforce from your database to sync record. Yeah, and thank you for watching and see you on the next time.